It's Satsuma Orange. Welcome to another edition of SheStirsTooMuch.com. There's our color palette. And I definitely do a lot of stirring in this video, so if you want to fast forward through the stirring, I understand, but I can't make it look unrealistic, and I had to stir a lot. There goes the lye water solution. And the stirring begins.
I don't know why there's so much stirring in it. I didn't see the salt being made.
No, you didn't. You didn't see this one being... It's a low top, which I need some practice on because my tops of my low tops are not very interesting. But, you know, I twizzled it and stuff. That is not a new stick blender. That is an old stick blender because my other one blew up last week. And the neck, let me just explain to you, Gooby.
What?
The shaft of it is too short, and that's why it was put away in the drawer, so I have to get a new one. Okay? And the people are saying it has to be colorful.
Yeah, you can get them at Value Village.
No, I'm not getting one from Value. That's where I said the one that blew up.
We live in an age where nothing lasts.
No,
it all breaks down.
I didn't send it there. I wouldn't send it there. No, it's gonna have to be. I think I'm in the mood for lime green. That's kaolin clay and our Satsuma orange fragrance. And so of course I had to stir that in, and then I had to blend again because of the clay. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm just for shizzling my twizzle thing right now.
Yeah. Anyway, quick topic. We were talking to the farmer the other day about how...
Who?
The father-in-law the other day.
Oh, my dad.
About how today everything's a throwaway culture. Like, you know, I said, remember when light bulbs were thick glass and they lasted 20 years?
Yeah.
Now you get a TV, it breaks in 12 months.
Yeah.
You get a microwave, it breaks in 12 months.
How many microwaves have we been through in the last...
Too many.
About 4.
You know, you're very lucky if you find something that lasts.
There's our colors.
It's a throwaway society.
The orange might be hurting your eyes. I apologize.
Anyway, I'm a great deal in saving stuff, and I like to regurgitate stuff. I don't like...
What do you want me to do with the broken
rubbish.
stick blender? Are you going to turn it into something else?
You could make a thing for it.
What? You could turn it into a motor and put it on the back of our dinghy?
Yeah, it'll power a little dinghy.
You know, okay. It might. You never know. Yeah, that orange is a bit bright, I have to say, but I don't know. I think it worked. And you might be wondering, why is there green in there? But it's just, you know, it's just subtle. It's okay. And you'll watch my magical yellow slip into a black hole somewhere and disappear forever. That's the yellow there. And it says magic yellow on it, I think. No, sorry, it's sunrise yellow from Nurture Soap.
Yes.
But it disappears. I don't know.
That orange there to the bottom left, that reminds me of a patchy orange. I used to have that in my kitchen. It used to change colours with the light. It was a gorgeous paint.
Oh, I remember your kitchen. That was a really nice paint.
Just go very dark in the right light.
It wasn't that
in the day.
color. It was like, it looked like can't describe it.
Well, it's called Apache, but you know...
Apache?
That's what it was called.
Yeah, it was a beautiful orange.
It used to change colours with the sunlight. It was great.
Yeah, well, paint does that. So, see, you know, I had to mix in the TD, and now I have to stir again, because you got to scrape the sides of your bowls, of course. And then, because I'm making decisions while making the soap, something else makes me have to stir again.
It looks like pancake mix, but we know it's not.
It does look like pancake. See, I decided
color.
to add a bit of orange to the base. There's so much stirring going on here. I don't know why. I just thought, it is, you know, Satsuma orange, so let's add some orange.
Yeah, so just have a little think about that, just that little topic there. Do you agree that over time, do you remember the days when things never broke down, really?
Yeah, I do. I remember the black and white TV we had lasting way too long before we got to have a colored one.
And these days, mufflers last 7 months and then not out in the summer.
Apparently, we've bought 3 mufflers since 2018.
Oh yeah, they rot out. What in the summer?
Look what happened to that green.
Yeah, that's like
baby sick.
It's like a khaki green.
But it comes back. It comes back, so don't worry. You're probably thinking, like, what on earth with this color palette? But I don't know. I think it works out.
That's the kind of paint they used to use in the Victorian times on doors and walls.
Ew, yeah.
Khaki.
Khaki green.
That's horrible.
Okay, but it comes back to a nice green, I promise. Okay?
So don't be put off, it does change.
It does change. There goes the pancake batter.
Now it looks like bird's custard.
Yeah. Looks like something, alright. And of course...
Sorry about that, I'm drinking
he's drinking
Zero Sucre.
Coke Zero Sugar. Not Coke Zero. There's a really good one that has no sugar in it, but it still has the caffeine. Oh, it's great. Drink it all day. Rot your stomach out. So I've learned a valuable lesson this week, and maybe this will help someone. Sometimes you have to turn the news off for a few days. I walked away from the news, let's see, about 4 days ago, and I'm feeling mentally better. The world is a sad place right now, but just walk away from the news. Just try it for a few days. Now, here I am using my chopstick, the wrong end of my chopstick, but anyway. Walk away from the news for 4 days, right? And see if you feel better in yourself. Just look around your tiny world.
Yeah, sadly we're in an age where we can't get away from it, but it's good I like to keep abreast of the news, but you know, if people are stuck on social media all day and watching the news,
I've got enough of my own.
You down. You just got to come away from it and do something productive,
right.
I think.
And this past week, we've had enough of our own weird news, just in our tiny bubble of a family, right? So it just was getting a bit much. So I avoid the news, and I feel better.
You can over-absorb yourself with it. It's important to have news, but
it's important to be knowledgeable, of course, but if it's affecting your mental health a little bit, just walk away.
Yeah, go for
a walk. It's not going to change because you're not watching it. So just, do yourself a favor if you're feeling that way. I'm just going to plop this little bit of whatever is left on top, and I'm thinking to myself what Karen told me at this point, because she makes beautiful soap tops. So I'm gonna try and but it just, I'm thinking now maybe you're supposed to wait till, see what I'm doing with the twizzly.
That's a good idea. That's a good effect.
Twizzle my thing, but I'm thinking now you're probably supposed to wait till the soap is stiffer. That's what I'm thinking.
No, because it works. You can see it works. That's the pattern. It's really not. Pattern.
Well, okay, it's fine, but it's not what I was. I was trying to give it some real, I don't know, something.
Well, anyway, people. Aside from that, we're all looking forward to the spring and the summer.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
We're all tired of snow now. We're done with it. It's long.
See, look at that little bit of green. See how the green came back? Just a little bit of green. It's all right. But there is a bit much orange, maybe? I don't know. What do you guys think? It smells delicious. Swirls are all right.
All the colours have gone well there. It was like I say, like a little piece of artwork.
So yeah, I just wanted to share that lesson I learned with you this week about walking away from the news. And here's the last bar. And here comes a freeze frame apparently. And then a brace of soaps. There they are when they're settled down a little bit.
And there we have a brace of soap.
Thank you for joining us for another edition of SheStirsTooMuch.com.
Keep self, people.
Yeah.
Keep creative.
Subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next week.
Bye bye bye.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.